Yes, now we are ready with another question, that is a point charge of plus 10 microcoulomb is at a distance 5 centimeter directly above the center of the square of side 10 centimeter as shown in the figure. As we can see, this point is here. Let this point say P. What is the magnitude of electric flux through the square? Due to this square, what is the electric flux on this point? Remember one thing, the electric flux by the Gauss theorem, it is given like phi is equal to q upon epsilon naught. Since what, phi is equal to q upon epsilon naught, but what is the value of it on this point P? On this point P, we have to see how much this square is going to get that impact on that. So just finding out that the impact of this, it is written like what, 1 by 6 q upon epsilon naught. This is what, 1 by 6 of what is the charge it is given, 10 into 10 power minus 6 upon 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. So here it is written like 1 by 6 into 10 power minus 5 upon 8.85 into 10 power minus 12, and it is written like what, 10 power minus 5 upon 6 into 8.85 into 10 power minus 12, which becomes here 10 power minus 5 into 6 into 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. This can be written like, if we are just going to solve it out, 10 power 12 into 10 power minus 5 upon 6 into 8.85, that becomes what, 10 power 7 upon 6 into 8.85, that becomes 1.88 into 10 power 5 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Thank you. I hope you all are getting these points. Now with the new question, that one is, check that the ratio of Ke square upon Gme mp is dimensionless. Look up a table of physical constant and determine the value of this ratio. What does this ratio signify? What the question is asking, to you, check that the ratio Ke square upon Gme mp is dimensionless. We are to find out the value of Ke square upon Gme mp, and we have to see whether it is dimensionless or it is having some of the dimension. And then we have to find out that what is the ratio of this. That means we have to find out the value of this. And what does this signify? What does this ratio signify? We have to find out this also. So just going to solve it out. For solving it out, we have to write it that Ke square upon Gme mp. Now what is the value of K? K here it is written like what, 9 into 10 to power 9, because K is what, K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is called K, and its value is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. And what is the value of E? E value is given like 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and G, capital G, it is the universal gravitational constant whose value is given like what, 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. And what is the value of Me? Mass of electron. Me is what? Mass of electron. Mass of electron is given like what? Mass of electron is given like 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. And what is the mass of proton? Mass of proton is given like 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So we have to put all these values and we have to see whether this ratio is having any of the dimension or all the dimensions are being cancelled out. So for just finding out the dimensions, we are putting the value, that is 9 into 10 power 9 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square upon, what is the value of G? That is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into, what is the mass of electron? That is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into what, 1.6 into 10 power minus 27. We have to solve it out. What, how will you solve it out, the ratio? We can just solve it out like, first of all just solve the powers, then we can solve it easily. This can be written like what, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 upon 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 27. My dear students, listen carefully. We have to first solve out what? The powers. The power of 10, if you are just going to solve that out, then you can just find the answer very easily. So what is the value here? 10 power minus 11, 10 power minus 31, that becomes what? 10 power minus 42, and 10 power minus 42 into 10 power minus 27, that becomes 42 plus 27. What is that? That is 59, not 59, that is 69. So it becomes 10 power minus 69, and upper side minus 19 becomes minus 38, and minus 38 plus 9. Minus 38 plus 9, my dear student, minus 29. So here the power which is written like 1.6 into 10 power minus 29 upon 6.67 into 9.1 into 1.6 into 10 power what? Minus 69. Now we can solve out this value and we can just get the answer. What the answer we are just going to get? That one is 2.29 into 10 power 39, because it is very lengthy ratio. So just we have to solve out. That is 2.29 into 10 power 39, because 10 power minus 69 would go upside and the value becomes 2.29 into 10 power 39. What about the unit? How will you find that this one is dimensionless? So what about the unit? We have to find out the unit. For that, the unit of 9 into 10 power 9. The unit of 9 into 10 power 9 is written like Newton meter square per Coulomb square into, what is this? This one is Coulomb square upon 6.67 into 10 power minus, this one is written like Newton meter square per kilogram square, and this one is written like what? Kilogram into kilogram. So we can solve it out. Coulomb square cancel out, kilogram square is cancelled out, Newton meter square is cancelled out, that is 1. So this quantity is basically dimensionless, as we have proven here. And what does it signify? This one is what? This one is a number, and this one is a ratio number, and this one is dimensionless. Easily we can just find it out.